Hey class, this is a quick video on how to calculate the mean of a probability distribution, 172. This is going to be number 2 right here. So you can either use the ebook or the hard copy to follow along. Again, exercise number 2, page 172. So here is the problem set up, same as the book right here. And the first thing, in order to calculate the mean, first thing I want to do is multiply the x times each p of x. So I'm going to grab this cell, B5, times C5, hit enter, and then I'm just going to drag those numbers down, drag the cells down, and I have essentially multiplied each x times each p of x per row. Now, to find the mean of this probability distribution, I simply want to sum up the x times p of x. So I'm going to type in sum and then capture all the data right there, hit enter, and what I have is a mean. Very simply, the mean is 5.4. I'm going to highlight that just so you can see what's going on. All right, next I'm going to calculate the variance, and you see I've labeled all of my column headings right there. So here's my x, here's my p of x, there's my x minus mu. Remember, mu is the mean of the probability distribution. Then I want to square x minus mu, which is right here, and then I want to take x minus mu squared times p of x, add it all up. I have my variance. And I also will follow up with taking the square root so that I can get the standard deviation. Okay, so here we go. Our next step is to calculate x minus mu. Simply put equals, and I'm going to take x minus, and I'm going to put the cell number there, which represents the mean, which is cell D8, and I'm going to hit F4 to lock that cell. Then when I drag that cell, the D8 cell will not move. So I hit enter and then I just drag it, and now let me double check. 8 minus 5.4 is in fact 2.6, and then 10 minus 5.4 is in fact 4.6. So I've successfully created my column of x minus mu. Now I want to square that, so I will simply hit equals, and I'll grab that column, E5, and a square is just multiplying a number times itself, so E5 times E5. Okay? There's another way to do it. You can put caret 2, whatever you want. I'm just going to take E5 times E5, drag that down, and as you see, E6 times E6, and if I hit the F2 button, I can quickly see the formula, E7 times E7. There you go. All right, now I want to take x minus mu squared times p of x, so equals x minus mu squared times, where's p of x? It is in this column here, so that is C5. Hit the enter button, and then again drag, find the crosshairs. Let me do that again so you can see what I'm doing. Find the crosshairs first, click the left button on your mouse, and drag. There we go. And then I will sum this up in order to get the variance. Okay, and to get the standard deviation, I simply need to take the square root, so that's equals SQRT, open parentheses, there is my variance, put it in there, hit enter, and there is my standard deviation. Okay, so I am basically all done. I'm just going to clean this number up a little bit, right click, format cells, and then when this comes up you want to click on number, and I'm just going to take maybe 4 decimal places, hit OK, and I am done. I just chose 4 decimal places randomly. You can use any number of decimal places that you need. Alright folks, that is it. Again, this is how to calculate the mean of a probability distribution, a variance, and a standard deviation. Look in your book, and also in class, of course, we'll talk about the interpretation of all of these. Take care.